Hello everybody, we're in Olivino, at number 12 Lower Belgrave Street. It's a bit noisy today, we've got some tables outside, and I'm going to introduce you to a new recipe that I'm going to be preparing at home. I'm going to do carpaccio of roast beef. No raw meat, but roast beef. A roast beef that is made from the Fassona beef from Piedmont. It's a very lean loin of beef, which is already pre-packed in our shop. Lucia is slicing preparing some slices of this roast beef for me. I'll show you. So that's going to be for our meal, for the recipe. Maybe put another slice. Then I'm gonna get a bag of rockets. There's a huge bag, maybe too much for two of us. And I'm gonna get some parmesan, which I have at home, some vinegar and olive oil. So I'll see you later to see the process of this recipe. Back from the shop with the roast beef already sliced. I got some a wedge of parmesan here and some fresh rocket. As you can see, it's 3 ingredients. We want to make a dish that's simple for anybody to make. And we start first to create a dressing. The dressing is 50 milliliters of olive oil, and you would have had, I think, 15 milliliters of vinegar. This is our vinegar olive oil from our shop. The vinegar is slightly sweet. Then we want to add a bit of black pepper. That's up to you how much you want to put. A bit of salt, and that we whisk that. Until it gets a bit, I won't say foamy, but a bit creamier there. Okay. So you need quite a bit of whisking. I'm going to taste it with my finger. Perfect. Now, see how simple it will be. I'll show you very quickly. So I'm going to pour a little bit of this, half of this dressing into the rocket. Mix the rocket in a bowl like this. Okay. Place the rocket on the serving dish like that, in the middle. Make sure you put the rocket in the middle. Okay. Once that's done, next stage, you see how quick this happens and how easy it is. Next stage, we're going to place this beautiful roast beef that I had cut from the shop earlier on, sliced, sorry. And as I said, this is from as you can see, a very lean type of beef that lives in Piedmont. Fassona beef is one of our best beef in Italy. And this is pre-cooked, let's say pre-prepared by the company who supplied us with this. Of course, you can make your own roast beef by buying a loin of beef and roast it yourself. So that's the first stage. Second stage, the finishing stage. Give another whisk of that. We're going to add a bit of mustard. Now I'm going to add like a teaspoon, like that. But then this is again quantities. It depends how strong somebody likes it, you know. So this spoon of mustard, that's in English mustard, by the way, just in case. Don't use the French in this case, because it somehow tastes better with the beef. I think next time I will try and test it with horseradish
dressing because I like that as an English touch. So what we're going to do is we're going to start pouring it over it, starting from the middle so they can start dropping. I mean, this is essential. Oh, there you are. Finally, the last final touch is a shaving of Parmesan. Again, that was bought from the shop today. Any Parmesan will do. And that's, again, it's up to you how much you're going to put, because people say always, what about the quantities, you know? But simple food sometimes you don't need to have necessarily, it's just do as it comes, with simple ingredients, simple ingredients, three, 4 ingredients here, nothing else. Anybody can make this. And this is why I like showing people recipes that anybody can make. Well, I think that's enough. We don't want to put much Parmesan anyway, because last the pieces. So this is, it's a roast beef made with Bello Rocket, shaved Parmesan, and mustard dressing. This dish is normally made in one of our restaurants, but the one we make in a restaurant, we make it on a roast beef, because obviously we're not going to get something already pre-prepared. It's not necessary. So this is a pre-packed roast beef from our shop, and I tell you, it's excellent quality, absolutely excellent. And with that, I hope you'll be able to reproduce this for yourself, and you will enjoy it very much, because it's a delicious dish, and it's very easy to do it for lots of people. And you can put it in the fridge and wait an hour and serve it. You know, it's a simple thing, and we like simple things. Thank you.